Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, we shall be discussing smart ways to turn your ideas into topic. Smart ways to easily turn your idea into topic. Remember in our previous video, we discussed how we can turn our idea into researchable topic or researchable title. So in this video, we want to talk about the smart ways we can go about that without stressing ourselves, without wasting a lot of time, and then without engaging in an effortless, or let me say an effort that will not yield any tangible results. So whatsoever you're going to do, if you are going to make use of the smart ways I am going to talk about in this video, then definitely your effort is going to yield something. Though you might spend a lot of times, you might make some research, you might sit down, you might read, you might analyze some things, some information. But then, believe me, eventually all your effort is not going to go into waste. It is going to yield something tangible to you. Now, remember in our previous videos also, I said it is important for us to do what? To read online. We need to read a lot of things online. But what kind of things do we need to read? When we are searching the internet for information, in order to get ways, in order to get ideas, in order to get a smart ways we can easily turn our ideas into topic, what is that thing that we are exactly looking for? Number one, download journals. Download journals that are related to your idea. Download journals that are related to your interest, to your idea. And when you are downloading journals, don't go and download old journals. Download recent journals. Now, when you download these journals, there are informations that you are looking for. Specific information that you want to sieve. Now, number one, when you download these journals and you open them, number one, you read the introductory aspect of it and see the things, the ideas you can actually get, the insights you can get from the journal, and how related it is to your idea or your interest. Number two, look at their objectives. Some will state the objectives out by numbering them 1, 2, 3. Those 1, 2, 3, they are specific objectives. Some will write them together in form of prose. Look at the objective of that study. The reason why that study is being conducted. Look at the objective. Look at the way they look at the way they structure it. You can get an idea. You can get an insight from that into how you can structure your idea into topic. Then number three, look for the statements or the problem statements rather. That is the problem of the statements of the problem, also called problem statements. Look for the problem statements. Oftentimes, the problem statement is what actually sparks that research, interest in that research. It is the problem statement that actually provoke the researcher into conducting that research. So that problem statement is always problematic. It talks about the problematic things, the negative things happening that surrounds that research, that article, that journal that you're reading. So read about it. Know what's going on. Look at it, compare that problem statement with the objective already formulated. And consider it. Compare the two together, compare them, contrast them, and look at them in line with your own idea, what you want to do, what you want to write about. That is going to help you to structure your idea into topic. Then another thing is that it is also important to look at the results of the analysis and the discussion. The results of the analysis and the discussion. Now, this enables you to know how the extent or the length to which the analysis was done, or to which the objectives or the research topic or the journal was being analyzed and discussed. In that discussion, you are going to get salient points. If you are attentive enough and you are focused enough, you will get some salient points that can help you, or that can even give you ideas, or can broaden or widen your ideas and help you to structure your idea into topic. Another thing that you can look out for inside the journal is the empirical review. The empirical review often shows work that has been done on the same topic. You see, different authors has done different kind of things. You look at the variables they use, you look at how they measure them, you look at all those things. You look at where there is still area you can research, you can carry out more research. You look at them. This is going to give you an idea on how to structure or how to turn your idea into topic, on how, or let me say, an area, the scope, an area where you need to concentrate on, where you need to focus your study on, or where you want your study to cover. It's going to show you all these things. The another thing is that you look at the recommendation. After the analysis, after the analysis and discussion, the journal will always talk about the conclusion. So after the problem statement that is stated, the objectives, the analysis, the discussion. So what is the conclusion about everything? Then from that conclusion, a recommendation is being drawn out. Now, look at the recommendation, read it. The recommendation could be a pointer to a further study. The recommendation could be an insight into another way you can carry out that research. The recommendation could give you an insight into another scope where you need to focus on, an area that has not been covered by the previous author or that particular journal. So it gives you an insight and help you to structure your idea into a topic. And the last thing you need to look out for inside the journal is suggestion for further research. Most of the time, it is not all articles that always state this expressly. So inside their recommendation, you will see this idea for suggestions for further research, while others will always bring it there as an heading stating suggestion for further research. And what is this trying to tell us? It's trying to tell us other areas that particular topic can be researched on, that previous studies has never worked on before. So easily, if they tell you that area, you could just structure their suggestion for further studies into a topic that you can work on. Then another way, as outside reading journal, another way you can easily turn your ideas into topic is to read on trending issues that surrounds your idea. Read on recent issues, trending topics, on the information that surrounds your idea. This will give you insights into different kind of way you can structure your idea into topic, and how you can, the scope your topic or your research can cover or focus on. So always read trending issue, because trendy issues or recent issues or what is going on gives you different kind of ideas. It exposes you to things that are going on in that your area of interest or idea that you are not even aware of. And it gives you different kind of information. It points to information. Oftentimes, it always reveal problem. And you know, the best way to structure a research title, an idea into a research title, is when you have a cogent problem at hand. A cogent problem at hand that you know that this thing is problematic and people are not doing anything about it. Now you can take that problem and structure your topic around it. Formulate your objective, your research question, your hypothesis, and then you begin to work in that line. Then the last thing we want to talk about is make sure you keep yourself updated. Always update yourself. Always make sure that you have the recent knowledge about that your area of interest or your idea. And how can you do this? You can do this by reading on trading issues, read newspapers, listen to news, read recent journals, read articles, web information, research online. And as you keep doing this, your eyes will be more enlightened about how you can structure your research topic, different kind of ways you can conduct that topic, how you can easily, the smart ways, you can easily turn those ideas into a researchable topic. Now, that's all in this video. Remember to share, like, and also turn on your notification button. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do so. If you have any question whatsoever, and most importantly, if you are my student and you are seeing this video, and you have any question, do not hesitate to drop it. Make sure you drop your question. I will be on the lookout for your question in the comment section in order to clarify them for you. See you in the next video.